fam, welcome back to another video, and this is the last Friday of January, and today I am serving you a special video, and you will be seeing me cleaning my small bedroom today. This is the current state of my bedroom. It's a little bit small. So the beauty about small bedrooms, mas madali mo siyang ma-maintain. It's just that dahil small nga lang siya, it can easily get cluttered, lalo na if you have a lot of other things na nabibili or whatnot. So organization is the key. So here you will see me organizing our stock. So these are just some of our snacks and the things that we have bought, like quick groceries trip earlier. So that's what I'm going to do here. For many, cleaning can be a chore. It can be difficult and challenging, but for me, I find it very therapeutic, and I really get to reflect more and talk to myself more when I'm cleaning. That's why I love doing that. It is also very satisfying to see the before and after of the work that I've done after I have finished cleaning. I also like cleaning when I need to make major life decisions, and these decisions I need to really spend a little bit more time into thinking and deciding. So that's what I do when I clean. I get to reflect on the things I want to do with my life and what I want to do moving forward. So lately I've been thinking about doing a very big purchase, so this kind of cleaning activity gave me more of a reflection and understanding whether to do that or not. I also enjoy watching cleaning with me videos and also stockpiling videos or restock with me videos, those videos that are very ASMR, and it's so fun to watch them restock their fridge or restock their pantry. So yeah, and I also am attempting to do a mini version of that right now. If you're enjoying the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment in the comment section below. The second layer of this trolley is where you'll see my purse essentials, some of the things that I use, and also other toiletries. You can also see eggs in here because we also keep our eggs. We love boiling eggs for our diet. So, may mga stocks kami yan. It's right here. We have masks, and I'm just trying to my very best to organize it. I know it's not like the best looking organization yet, but I'm trying my very best here. It's just that I'm not aiming for perfection. I just want to make sure that this place is a lot organized compared to how it started. The top shelf is like my display area, but I still want to make it more functional, so I have decorated here placed here some of my most used scents from Bath and Body Works, and some decorations like flowers and a light or lamp, and my favorite collection, which is Eiffel Tower. So I have some trinkets in here. I also put here our receipts. That particular Starbucks planner holder is where I keep all of the receipts that I have for tracking. When you're overwhelmed with cleaning and you don't know where to start, what I have found out, or what I'm also doing, is I do it in sections. So if you notice, I started dito sa likod ng door so that I can easily just focus on one section at a time. So I do that from the back of the door going clockwise. So papunta na siya sa window area. That's how I normally start cleaning. So it will be a lot more organized and systematic. Another way to motivate you into cleaning your room or your space is to play music or watch a show. So that's what I do normally. I watch first before I clean, so just to get motivation. Some people they do that na parang simultaneously, and that's not a problem. I just don't like playing music that much when I'm cleaning or doing some tasks like this, because I want to hear myself more, my thoughts more. Like what I told you, when I make big decisions, I want to be able to talk to myself more or hear myself more. So playing music is not something that I usually like to do. Now into this corner in my room that I place some random items like my tripod for filming. This one is floating shelves that I will be using in the room soon. I want to have more shelving units here, so we'll have that organized soon, and some other things that I don't often use. So I'm just trying to fix things to make it look a lot more organized. Now this is our working station slash vanity area for me, and this is where we normally put a lot of our random things in. This is where we sometimes eat as well, for lunch, dinner, sometimes snacks. So this place can really get messy and dirty, so it's time for me to reorganize and put these random things into their own respective homes or places. That's one of the advices that I've gotten from watching all the organizing and cleaning videos. Dapat daw things have their own place or home, so that it, you will lessen the clutter and mess around your house. So for pag-ibig, I have here this random organizer. This is his miscellaneous organizer, where he can put his vape, membership cards, and other random things na binibili niya, so that it will be a lot easier to manage. And one thing about pag-ibig, he likes things to be dark and black. So something that we need to also remember, if your things are dark in color, it's easier to collect dust, or it's easier to notice that it's dusty. So you really need to be on top of it, cleaning it from time to time, because it will be very, very evident. So if you have a partner or you yourself is into black, then you have to be masipag when it comes to cleaning and dusting your area. I know cleaning can take a lot of time, so if ever you find it overwhelming, just commit like 5 minutes of your time, 30 minutes, or an hour a day to fix or clean a certain space or a certain part of your room or your house, to make it a lot more manageable. This bedroom reset already took about 2 hours of my time, so this is not even deep cleaning yet. So I know it takes a lot of time, but it's very, very satisfying to see, and it's very fun to sleep in a clean room. That is actually my motivation when it comes to cleaning. I just can't wait to enter a room that smells so fresh because of the fresh linen, fresh bed sheets, fresh, the smell of the cleaning products that we use. It smells so fresh. So that's how I motivate myself when it comes to cleaning. And I normally just allow few hours of my day to clean a certain section, so it won't be too overwhelming. But my room needed a deep clean, like deep cleaning soon, so I'll film that for you as well in the future. Find a place in your home that excites you, and that can also motivate you to clean better or to start cleaning. So this part of my place or my desk, I've already converted it into a vanity area so that, you know, when I put makeup on, when I wake up in the morning and fix myself, I get motivated in doing it. So I also organized some of the makeup things that I have. And if you want to see like my little makeup collection, we'll definitely film a video for you guys. Just comment it down in the comment section below for me to know whether you're interested or not. So there, put something that motivates you in the room. So for some, it can be a new decoration, it can be a new furniture, it can be a new, you know, like flower, anything that can motivate you to start cleaning. That's one way for you to trick yourself into working and start working into organizing your room. I'm now tackling the biggest part of this room, and that's the bed area. So it easily gets messy then, because this is where we normally put our, you know, clothes, some of the clothes that we use, or some random items like what you see here, used helmet and all that. So really needed to be on top of this like every single day. I have to be mindful and intentional in cleaning this bed, because this is where we sleep, of course. We sleep on the bed with our dogs too. We have two mini Dachshund, or Dachshund, how do you say that properly? So they sleep with us, and as you can tell, they have fur and they shed a little bit, not too much, which is what I love about that, you know, the type of dog. It's not too high maintenance. So sometimes the dogs are shedding, so we have to clean the bed and change the bed sheets. And that's what I love about cleaning the bed, because it's such a big part of the room. It actually just makes a very big difference when you clean it, when you organize it, because it's so big. And whenever I change bed sheets, it just makes the room smell so good. The smell of fresh linen, yeah, like what I said, and of course just the feeling and knowing that you're lying down on a clean bed is just so priceless. So that's what I love about it. That's one of my most favorite things to do when it comes to bedroom reset. After all the wiping and cleaning and organizing, it's now time for us to vacuum the floor. This actually signals that I'm almost over or done with the bedroom reset. It was so tiring, I must tell you. Cleaning, filming on top of it is just so overwhelming, but I'm happy that I was able to finish this first or second, actually probably my second video of me cleaning and doing a bedroom reset. So grabe, ang hirap pala nito, guys. This is actually a very hard video content to film. A whole new level of respect to all of those content creators who are doing the cleaning with me or space reset video. You guys are the MVP. This is such a hard task to do, but I'm just so proud of myself that I was able to do it as well. I'm no longer just the only, like, the girl who's just enjoying and watching it, but I'm glad that I was able to try it on my own. And definitely this will not be the last. I am just so happy to be able to film one for you guys. Stay tuned to see the after clips. I am so proud of myself to be able to do it and finish this bedroom reset with you guys. I had so much fun. there you go, fam. I hope you enjoyed watching this Clean With Me video today, and I can't wait to see you again next week. That will be the first Friday of February, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.